Today we have the 2021 Ford Kuga. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid vehicle. It has done just over 36,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access Full Pass Connect, driver assistance, Bluetooth, mobile apps, charge settings, valet mode, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below, we have our dual zone climate control. And if we press our mode button, we can switch between our different driving modes, starting with normal, eco, sport, slippery, snow and sand assist. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.